Hello, everyone. Today we'll be discussing the structural and functional design of the website. Please note that we have not yet added the colors, images, and other design elements, so the wireframes we present will be in black and white. We will cover the following topics in this meeting: a recap of the business goals and objectives that we discussed at the beginning of this project, some research findings from the survey conducted on existing customers, customer persona representation, a recap of the website requirements. Next, I will present the website wireframe, and we will conclude this meeting with a discussion on the next steps. The main goal for creating a website for a business is to boost your sales and attract more customers by offering a hassle-free online ordering system for your baked goods. And your objectives were to increase online orders, that is to allow customers to easily place orders online for pickup or delivery with clear guidelines for order lead times and minimums. You also wanted to increase sales by creating a visually appealing and user-friendly website that showcases your products and brand identity. You also wanted to boost visibility of your company by increasing traffic to the website through advertising and search engine optimization, and then to improve customer experience by ensuring that the website works well on both desktop and mobile, and to incorporate features that make the ordering process more efficient, such as pickup reminders and delivery times. And lastly, you wanted to streamline order management. So, along with this front end wireframe that we're showing of the website, in the back end, this will integrate an order management system that simplifies the process of handling various types of orders, provides easy access to customer information, and enables efficient communication between your bakery and your customers. From the customer survey we conducted on your existing customer base, we found out that your customers are between ages 21 to 70 years and older, and your customers are professionals, foodies, gift buyers, and some are event planners and even business owners. And the third thing we found out was that approximately 70% of your customers use their mobile phone to shop from bakeries or place orders online. And lastly, approximately 90% of your customers are female. Based on the customer survey and several customer interviews that we conducted, we have created 3 customer personas to represent a group of users who share common characteristics, behaviors, and goals. So we have Karim, who is a nurse with 2 kids, and his goals are to find products that are kid-friendly and suitable for his children's age, to view allergen information for each product and easy filter products based on allergen preferences, to order quickly and easily on his mobile phone with the option of pickup or delivery. The next customer group that we represented with Emily, and she is a small business owner, and her goals for visiting a website such as yours is to order cute cactus sugar cookies and an assortment of cupcakes to sell with her coffee, to have a seamless online ordering experience and to ensure on-time pickup of orders, and to provide customers with fresh and delicious snacks to enjoy with specialty coffee. And lastly, to represent the older customer base, we have Debbie. She is a 69-year-old retiree who is actually based in San Diego, not in Phoenix, but she's been to your bakery before. And her goal for visiting your website would be to browse bakeries, cake offerings easily, to order cookies and cream birthday cake for her granddaughter, and she has a specific design in mind, so it will be a custom order, and to have the cake delivered on time to her granddaughter's home in Tempe, Arizona. So these personas will assist us in understanding your target audience better and in making informed decisions when as we designed your website. Before we dive into the wireframes, let's just go over the functional requirements again. So we have a highly visible interactive element where the user can subscribe to marketing or informational text messages for 10% off their first pickup. And then we wanted a homepage and some type of site navigation so that users can browse easily. We wanted an About Us page and a search functionality in case the users know exactly what they're looking for, and an ability for the user or customer to view each product individually in a search result or as part of a category, and a baking blog that is part of the main navigation of the site, an add to cart interaction, some type of checkout flow that allows the user to place their pickup or delivery. Next, to have the option to pick up for free or get delivery for $15, a flat fee within the Metro Phoenix area. And then we have an interaction that allows a user to sign up for an account or sign into an account during the checkout flow, and then a way for user to sign up for an account outside of the checkout process. And this includes signing in to an account as well. And then next, we have an account page that shows the user their information and a list of their transactions. And lastly, a way for the user or customer to sign in and sign out of their account. Since majority of the customers use mobile for shopping on bakery websites, I will be demoing the mobile version of the wireframe, and then I will attach or show an image of the website version of the wireframe. When customers visit the site for the first time on their browser, this pop-up will encourage them to sign up for tech subscriptions to receive a 10% discount on their first pickup order. They can either enter their phone number or exit the page to go directly to the homepage. If they choose to enter their phone number and subscribe, they will receive a confirmation text and they will be added to your messaging list on the back end. Once they complete the subscription process, they will see this thank you message and can press the X button to view the homepage. Here's the desktop or laptop version of the subscribe to text pop-up. Let me explain the different parts you see on the homepage. So at the very top, there is the offers and promotions bar where you can highlight and advertise current offers and promotions. Below that, we have the main menu. On the right is the menu icon that lets the customers navigate to different parts of the website. When customers press or click on it, they will see links that go to your About Us page, then to the three main products, cakes, cookies, and cupcakes, followed by a link to the blog, and finally a link to the Contact Us form. Let's exit this for now. Beside the menu icon is your company logo, which also acts as a link to the homepage. Then we have the search bar in case customers want to search for specific products. Next is the account icon that allows customers to sign in or create an account. And lastly, we have the shopping cart that customers can click on to proceed to check out the products they've already added to their cart. So that's it for the main menu. And below the main menu is the rotating image carousel. Here we can place a Cactus Cookies image as well as other product images that you may want to highlight. Here's the desktop version of the homepage and the navigation menu. Now we dive into visiting specific pages. So to go to the About Us page, let's start there. The customer just needs to press the menu icon and then click About Us. And here you have the About Us page where you can tell the story of your bakery. You can add imagery to show that story as well. Here's the desktop version of the About Us page. Next thing I'm going to show you is the Contact Us form, and to go to that same thing, the customer clicks on the menu icon and then goes down to the bottom of the drop down and clicks on Contact Us. It will then populate the Contact Us form, and as you can see here, it gives the customer a timeline on when to expect a response as well as an alternative to contact the bakery through email or through the phone. Here's the desktop version of the Contact Us page. Next, let's go over how the customers can navigate to the products. So the first option is they can scroll up and down the home page, and they should be able to see all the product categories. So we have cakes, for example, and then we have the cake subcategories there. We have cookies and the cookies subcategories. And there's also the option to view all cookies or view all products on that category. And then we have the cupcakes and their categories. And then at the very end is our footer. And here we can see that the subscribe to text option is there in case at this point after seeing some of the products the customer wants to subscribe to text. Now, the other option to navigate through the product categories is through the menu icon. So the customer clicks on the main menu or the menu icon and goes to cakes, for example. And if the customer does that, they can swipe left or right to view the cake categories or click on the arrow. There you go. And again, the footer is here, giving them the option to subscribe to text again for their first pickup order. And they also have these other helpful links such as contact us, delivery, pickup information, FAQs, the bakery's operating hours and address, and also links to the social media pages. So we'll be using the same layout for the other product categories. So cookies, for example, will have the same layout. They can swipe left or right to go through the categories if they want to go through it this way, or they can click the arrow button. So from here, and same with if they went through the menu by scrolling, they can dive into the different products under these categories. So for everyday cookies, the customer can just click on the image or click on the text, and it will take them to the everyday cookie products. So for the everyday cookie products, we have a couple here. The customer can just scroll up and down to view what products are available, and they can also choose the quantity of the product and add the product to cart from this page. Or if they want to see the detailed description of the product, then they can just click on the image or the product name and it will take them to the product details. And when they are in the product details, they can also see the option to pick up in store for free or the option to have the order delivered. And at the very top, there is a breadcrumb menu. That way the customer can, go back to the previous pages or go back to the home page. And on this page, they can also choose a quantity and add the products to cart. Here's a desktop layout of a product subcategory page. So for the checkout process, once the customer adds products to the cart, the shopping cart icon will show how many products are there. And the customer just needs to click on that shopping cart icon, which will take them to this page, which is a pop-up on the website. It will show them the products that they have at the cart, the quantity of those products, the price, and if they chose delivery, then they can enter the delivery address, choose a delivery date. When they click this, a calendar will pop up and they can choose a delivery time. And they also have the option to add a gift note. Now, and from that page, they can also choose to change from a delivery to store pickup instead. So if they choose store pickup, then it will show them the address of the bakery, the days and times that the bakery is open, and then they can select their pickup date as well as the pickup time and still also add a gift note if they want. It will also show them the total charges or the subtotals rather here, and the taxes will be calculated at checkout. So in this page, they do have the option to continue shopping or to proceed to checkout. So if they proceed to checkout, the customer has the option again to sign in or join at this checkout page. Um, or they can continue as guests and just simply fill up the information below. So they can enter the delivery address, they can enter their credit card information, their billing address, their billing name, of course, and then their preferred contact method. And then once they fill all of those up, they can submit the order and they will be given a customer confirmation, which is right here. This will then, in the back end, notify the bakery that there was an order placed and when the delivery date is, as well as the address and the preferred contact. And on this page, it also shows the total of the order. So, are there any questions before we proceed? Okay, so now that we have the wireframes done if it's approved, these would be the next steps. We will develop a content strategy that is to identify what content to include in the website that includes imagery as well. And then once that's done, we will create a visual design that is identifying what colors, typography um, to include in the design. And then once we have that visual design dialed in, then we will develop a prototype. This will be